Guys, Boss Painter here, coming to you live with another Q&A. So we have a question here from, who's this again? Is there a name? There's no name? Thought we had a name. I must have deleted it by mistake. Oh man. Anyway, we have a question. Hey Tony, I have a 99 Dodge Dakota that was totaled and I have rebuilt it. I'm planning to paint it white. White base with a blue pearl mid coat. Nice. This will be my first time spraying base with clear coat, though I have sprayed bed liner before, so I have some experience with prep work. I'll be spraying my garage with a low volume, low pressure, and a 28-gallon compressor. Okay, you're getting on the borderline with compressors here. My garage is wide enough to do the paint to do the job, but the truck doesn't fit lengthwise. Should I pull the bed back off and spray the cab and bed section separately? Yeah, why not? If I do that, how can I guarantee the same mix and coverage in the mid coat of pearl? See, that's the tricky part. That's the tricky part. If you're doing custom colors, it's best to do it at one shot because you can see what you're doing, you can match it up and all that. So it's going to be very, very tricky to do it in sections, especially with a custom color like that with pearl. Okay, so let's go. If I do that, how can I guarantee the same mix and coverage with the mid-coat pearl? Should I pre-mix the pearl until the gallon can? Is there another way? No, you wouldn't pre-mix because that wouldn't last till the next day. Is doing a full pearl paint job with a low volume, low pressure spray gun a stupid thing to try? No, I've been watching every video that I can find on pearls, but most of them are about blending and matching, not full paint jobs. Thanks in advance. Maybe you are not a VIP member. Maybe you're not a VIP, because in VIP I cover extensively multiple pearl paint jobs from start to finish and how you should get them done. So if you're watching this video, guys, and you're not a VIP, definitely check out learnautobodyandpaint.com and check out the VIP area of Learn Auto Body. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people complete projects, and we have over 10,000 VIP members from across the world that are doing amazing things with auto body, and I want to help you get to the next level as well. So as far as your question goes, definitely if you can't fit it, you'll have to split it into two sections. I would try to, man, if you're a newbie and this is your first job, maybe consider not even doing the pearl. I don't know. Maybe just go with just white for now until you can get maybe just spray your bed white for now until you can get a place, or maybe even rent a booth where you could do it at one shot. I highly advise to try to rent a booth or do it somewhere where you can fit the whole truck in. And I don't advise to do it in two sections, especially if you're doing like a pearl. Okay. Even if you measured and mixed and sprayed. Let's get my little paint pen here, and let's just say even if you did mix your mid-coat pearl in your clear coat or in your mid-coat evenly, right? If you painted this thing separately, you still have a chance, say you're doing your bed now, you might give it an extra pass somewhere, maybe around here or whatever, you had to lay it down this way maybe once to get a better gloss or whatever, and it might have some discoloration in this area, if you know what I mean. This is where you're going to have a matching issue. If you want to chance it. Just make sure you measure it out, measure your paint out, okay? Say you're putting, I don't know, 1 ounce of pearl into 2 quarts of clear coat, or 1.5 ounces of pearl into 2 quarts of clear coat. Then you're going to want to make sure to do the same. Put 0.75 ounces if you're only mixing a quart, but you're going to need more than a quart to do the bed. So 3 options. Stick with doing white. Don't even worry about the pearl. Option number 2. Do the pearl, do half the truck and another half the truck, and take your chances. Just try to match it up, try to do it. I would try to do that. If you cannot get a spray booth or rent or get an area where you can fit, why not extend your garage and put a tent on the outside part of it and close it? right? So you can actually do the whole thing at one shot. Doing the whole thing at one shot is going to be your best bet. Somehow try to get that done if you want to do a custom paint job. All right, it's Tony here. Hopefully this gave you guys some ideas on how to tackle a two-tone paint job in these conditions that you have to work with. Sometimes we have to work with what we have, and I get it. And I know a lot of you watching are, probably go through the same type of situation. So you got to get creative, got to think of different ideas, and just get it done. All right, I would definitely scratch out number 1 and just go white because that's boring. I mean, you're not taking any chances there, right? I would actually chance it, do half and half, or add an extended tent onto your garage where you can fit the bed and have that extra room to finish the truck off. Or, like I said, rent a booth or use a friend's shop or garage or something where you could do the whole thing at one shot. It's Tony here. Hopefully you liked the video. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you have different ideas on how you would get this done, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button as well. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and stay tuned for my other videos. Again, don't forget to check out Learn Auto Body and Paint VIP. Also, if you click the top right of this video, right around here, if you're on mobile, or if you're on desktop, down below, to get a free 85-page Auto Body and Paint step-by-step guide, plus free training by email series. All right, I think you're going to love it. We've been around since 2010, helping people learn everything they need to know about auto body and paint. And yeah. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.